guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another face mask review. So recently I've been trying out the Garnier Skin Active sheet face mask. So I think I've tried out the green one, the blue one, the pink one. I can't remember any other ones, but I love them. I love all of them. They're super hydrating, super moisturizing, and I just feel completely refreshed after them. Well, for Christmas I actually got a set of these Garnier sheet masks, and this was in the set, and I haven't tried this one before. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Nutri Milky Sheet Mask. And this is the coconut version. So it says it's intensely nourishing and glow enhancing. It contains hyaluronic acid and coconuts, and it's for dry and dull skin. So it's a 15-minute sheet mask. You pop it on, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then you massage in the excess afterwards. So I love all these masks, but I haven't tried the coconut one before. Coconut isn't my favourite scent in everything, so we shall see, but as long as it hydrates my skin and moisturises me, I don't care what it smells like. So yeah, let's just give this a try. So my face is completely clean. I've washed my face. Okay, so this is very milky compared to the last ones. The last ones were more liquidy. This is very milky, creamy consistency here. So basically you just open it up like this, and you just place it on your skin. It actually doesn't smell too coconutty, so it's not overpowering, which is good. Okay, so I'm just going to place it on my face. Okay, so there it is. So now I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes now wearing the mask. So now time to take it off. So it says afterwards to massage in the excess with your fingers. So that's what I'm going to do. And it also says if there's too much product to wipe the excess away with a cotton pad. So I'm going to do that as well. Oh, my skin feels amazing. So as you can see, my skin is super fresh, super glowy, hydrated, moisturized, and just completely refreshed. I'm looking at my skin, it looks incredible. My skin was really dehydrated and really dry, so I really needed this mask. I actually really love it. There's not a single one of these masks that I don't love. And like I said, I wasn't keen on coconut anyway, but the smell of this wasn't too intense anyway, so it was fine. I really like it. I actually quite like the milkiness to it because I think that gave you extra moisturization and extra hydration. I'm just looking at my skin now and it just looks so fresh and glowy and moisturized. So I really needed that moisturization boost massively. So they are ridiculously affordable, and yeah, there's so many different types. Types for oily skin, types for dry skin, combination skin, aged skin, all different types, and so far I've loved them all. They've been really good for me. So yeah, that completes my review of the Garnier Nutri Milky Coconut Sheet Mask. Loved it. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.